Finally, we get some fucking sunshine. Sunshine. Yeah, I'm using that. So, it's been a really crappy winter. I'm trying to do some sort of cooking video outside on my campfire and stuff, but oh man, the weather has been so wet and rainy and snowy. It's just so nice to have a day without clouds in the damn sky. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's blue sky. It's not gray. It's not cast over. It's fucking blue. So, I'm cooking my breakfast today on that, like a man. And what I'm going to cook with today is my GI mess kit. So normally I'll be doing this at the campground, but you know, it's still March, it's still crappy and cold. I'm not going out there. You shut up. You shut up and you burn. So I've went online and I got this nice pouch for it. It's an actual GI pouch, or actual military pouch for it. That's for it. I thought that was really neat, and I got it. I think it was like 20 bucks. So let me open it up here. Put this somewhere where it won't get wet. Okay. So we're gonna use this today. Open it up. Off camera, of course, because I'm a douche that way. So I forgot this was a plate. I had a plate prepared, so yeah. So we're going to use the utensils, and then I'm going to use this to fry on. Now I've used this to fry Spam on in the kitchen on the stove, and it's a little tricky. You got to use lower heat than you're used to with normal frying pans. You got to use less heat, and burn my Spam on it. So hopefully we won't do this today. Now, what we're going to eat for breakfast today is, well, bacon and eggs. What else are you going to cook in this? What else are you going to cook in an American GI mess kit than good old American bacon and eggs? So that's what we're going to do. And I got to wait for that to burn down, because my dad also wants to burn some sensitive papers later on after I'm done eating. So, here goes a whip. Oh, I hope my audio is good. I really do. So, alright, stay tuned. I'll cut to. Alright, that fire looks about ready. I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready to cook. I'm going to try out this new camp grill I got. Later on I'm going to try some cast iron cooking. So this will give a good standoff. Wow, that's very hot. Yeah, I don't know if that's ready yet. Yeah, that's hard to tell. I think I'll wait. I think I'll wait a little bit longer. Alright, so did it today. Got 2 eggs and this Greenfield Applewood smoked cured bacon. And I tried a couple pieces of that, and it is pretty damn good. So I want to wait on that. I'm going to cook the bacon first and wait on that. Make sure I have a plate ready. And we'll begin. Hope this works. probably too hot. I don't have anything to wash my hands with. Damn, smoke goes right up my eyes. Typical. Typical me. I don't start it. Wipe this bacon on my pants sleeves. It's not bad, it's coming along. I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, it doesn't cook so fast when it's more to the side instead of in the center. I gotta watch out for all this ash. That's done. We're good. And a little bacon. That's coming along nicely. I thought this would be hard. One of the great things about this is if you burn something, you don't have to worry about smoking up the kitchen. It just goes into the rest of the world. And nobody cares. Unless they eat it. Fire's getting low. It's not sizzling as lively. I have to stir it. Oh, that's looking good. I'm hungry. Oh yeah, that's done. That is done. Hot. 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 Alright. Now for the other halves. Get on there. Well, the wind ate all my firewood. It just made it burn up real fast, and couldn't cook all my bacon in time. So I had to pile on fresh wood, and this stuff is hard. I need to get a full-size axe. I just couldn't chop it much finer. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I want to eat. So I want to get this new pile of wood burnt, and then we'll continue cooking. And the wind just picked up. Alright, time for the eggs. Hope that's hot enough. Maybe over there. Yes, I'm left-handed. Oh yeah, it's about to cook. That wind keeps chasing me around, burning my eyes out. Oh, my eyes are watered. I'm crying like I've been cutting an onion. Oh, man, this better be good. I am so tired. Of course it'll be good. It's bacon and eggs. Almost done. I like my eggs scrambled. Fuck you, wind. It's gonna be a bit greasy, but it's gonna be worth it. Ooh. All right. He's done. I can barely see thanks to all that smoke.